In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. Once your artwork is ready, the last step is exporting a clean, shareable file. Start by going to the top menu, then choose File, Export, and Export As. This route gives you full control over how your design is delivered, whether it's for web, print, or app use. A dialog box will appear. First, type a clear descriptive name for your file. Consistent naming helps you stay organized, especially if you make multiple versions. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the file. Pick a location you'll remember, like a project folder, so you can find it quickly later. Now, select the file format that fits your destination. PNG is great for graphics that need transparency, like logos placed over different backgrounds. JPG works well for photos or images where transparency isn't needed, and it keeps file sizes small. SVG is ideal for web icons and scalable vector graphics that need to stay crisp at any size. PDF is a strong choice for sharing, printing, or archiving a vector-perfect version of your design. Choose the one that matches how you will use the file. If your document has multiple artboards and you only want to export certain ones, check Use Artboards. This ensures Illustrator exports only the boards you specify rather than the content on your canvas beyond the artboard boundaries. It's a simple way to export just what you need. Click Export to continue. Illustrator will then show format-specific options. Adjust these based on your purpose. For PNG or JPG, set the resolution. 72 to 150 ppi is usually fine for screens, while 300 ppi is standard for print. For JPG, choose a quality level that balances clarity with file size. For PNG, decide whether you need a transparent background. For SVG, keep text editable and shapes simple when possible for better web performance. For PDF, pick the preset that matches your output. And if you're heading to a professional printer, make sure to use high quality settings. Once you've dialed in the right options, confirm to proceed. Illustrator will export your file to the folder you selected.